Replacing your home's windows is a big decision. It's not just about improving how your house looks, it's about comfort, energy efficiency, security, and making an investment that holds up year after year. That's why so many homeowners continue to trust McLean Window Replacement for results that truly last. From the first consultation to the final installation, McLean Window Replacement has built its reputation on reliability, craftsmanship, and a deep understanding of what homeowners actually need. It's not about quick fixes or cutting corners, it's about doing the job right the first time. A customer-first approach from day one. One of the biggest reasons homeowners choose McLean Window Replacement is the way they're treated throughout the entire process. There's no pressure, no confusing sales talk, and no one-size-fits-all solutions. Instead, homeowners get honest guidance, clear communication, and recommendations tailored to their specific home and budget. Whether you're replacing a single window or upgrading your entire house, the team takes time to understand your goals. That customer-focused approach helps homeowners feel confident, informed, and comfortable with their decisions. Quality materials that stand the test of time. Long-lasting results start with high-quality materials, and McLean Window Replacement doesn't compromise here. Homeowners trust the company because they use durable, energy-efficient windows designed to perform well in changing weather conditions. These windows are built to resist warping, drafts, and moisture issues while maintaining their appearance and functionality over time. The result? Windows that don't just look great on installation day, but continue to deliver comfort and value for years to come. Skilled installation makes all the difference. Even the best windows won't perform properly if they're installed incorrectly. That's where McLean Window Replacement truly stands out. Homeowners consistently praise the precision, care, and professionalism of the installation team. Every measurement is exact. Every seal is secure. Every detail matters. This level of craftsmanship ensures windows fit perfectly, operate smoothly, and provide maximum energy efficiency. It's one of the key reasons customers experience fewer issues down the road and enjoy dependable performance long after installation. Energy efficiency. Homeowners can feel. Many homeowners turn to McLean Window Replacement to improve energy efficiency, and they notice the difference almost immediately. Properly installed, energy-efficient windows help maintain indoor temperatures, reduce drafts, and lower heating and cooling costs. Over time, those savings add up. Homeowners appreciate knowing their investment isn't just improving comfort today, but also reducing long-term energy expenses and increasing overall home value. Trust built on consistent results. Trust isn't built overnight, it's earned through consistent, reliable outcomes. McLean Window Replacement has built strong relationships with homeowners by delivering exactly what they promise: durable windows, expert installation, and dependable service. Homeowners feel confident recommending McLean Window Replacement to friends and family because they've experienced firsthand how smoothly the process runs and how well the results hold up over time. Peace of mind that lasts. At the end of the day, homeowners want peace of mind. They want to know their windows are secure, efficient, and built to last. McLean Window Replacement provides that reassurance by standing behind their work and prioritizing long-term satisfaction over short-term gains. When you choose McLean Window Replacement, you're not just replacing windows, you're investing in comfort, quality, and a team that genuinely cares about your home's future. That's why homeowners continue to trust McLean Window Replacement for long-lasting results they can rely on.